Imagine closing your eyes tonight knowing that while you sleep, your body is quietly performing a profound act of restoration, sweeping away the remnants of the day, clearing pathways you rarely think about, deep within your own abdomen. In those quiet hours, your colon, the winding river of your digestive system, works to recycle, detoxify, and renew itself, yet often it carries the weight of stagnation, unprocessed meals, and environmental stresses. Warm lemon water, enriched with chia seeds and cumin seeds soaked in boiled water, serves as a profound starting point for a nightly colon cleansing ritual, engaging the body's natural digestive and detoxification processes in ways that are both subtle and transformative. When consumed slowly before bed, warm lemon water acts as a gentle stimulant for the gastrointestinal system, encouraging bile production in the liver and preparing the small intestine and colon to process waste more efficiently. The citric acid in lemon creates an ideal environment for enzymatic activity, supporting the breakdown of residual food particles and promoting smoother transit through the intestinal tract. Chia seeds, when soaked, form a gelatinous coating that softens stool and facilitates easier passage through the colon, acting as a natural bulking agent without irritating the delicate lining of the intestines. These seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which not only aids in waste movement but also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, creating a symbiotic environment where microbial populations flourish, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish colon cells and enhance overall digestive health. Cumin seeds, meanwhile, carry compounds that have been traditionally valued for stimulating digestive secretions, reducing bloating, and calming intestinal discomfort, allowing the colon to work efficiently without strain. When soaked in warm water, cumin seeds release essential oils that gently relax intestinal muscles, supporting the rhythmic contractions of peristalsis that move waste along the colon's curves. Taken together, this combination of lemon, chia, and cumin creates a multi-layered effect. Hydration primes the tissues, soluble fiber softens and moves waste, and bioactive compounds stimulate enzymatic and muscular activity, effectively preparing the colon for a restorative overnight cleanse. Beyond the physical benefits, the ritual itself invites mindfulness, encouraging a moment of conscious attention to the body's internal processes, which can amplify parasympathetic activity, reduce stress hormones that impede digestion, and enhance the efficiency of nightly detoxification. The warmth of the liquid also promotes gentle vasodilation in the abdominal region, improving local circulation and allowing nutrients and signaling molecules to reach intestinal tissues more effectively. Over time, the consistent use of this nightly practice can help train the colon to respond predictably, supporting regular bowel movements, preventing stagnation, and reducing the buildup of toxins that may interfere with overall health. The synergy between hydration, soluble fiber, and bioactive compounds creates an environment in which the gut microbiome can thrive, producing metabolites that influence not just digestion but immune function, hormonal balance, and even mental clarity. Deep belly breathing, practiced intentionally as part of a nighttime colon cleansing ritual, is far more than a simple relaxation technique. It is a profound way to engage the body's internal systems, harmonizing muscular, nervous, and digestive function in a gentle, natural rhythm. By directing awareness to the expansion and contraction of the abdomen rather than the chest, each inhalation stretches the diaphragm downward, creating subtle pressure against the organs of the digestive system, including the stomach, small intestine, and colon. This pressure acts as an internal massage, stimulating peristalsis, the wave-like contractions that move waste along the intestinal tract, and enhancing blood flow to the digestive tissues, which supports nutrient delivery, cellular repair, and overall tissue health. Exhaling slowly allows the diaphragm to rise, relieving tension within the abdominal cavity and promoting a balanced circulation of fluids, which encourages the removal of metabolic waste and supports lymphatic drainage. When performed consistently, deep belly breathing helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the branch of the nervous system responsible for rest, restoration, and digestion, which can otherwise be suppressed by stress, daily activity, or disrupted sleep patterns. The rhythmic nature of deep breaths, long, measured inhalations followed by equally mindful exhalations, synchronizes with the natural rhythms of the gut, creating a subtle but measurable enhancement in digestive efficiency, while simultaneously reducing stress hormones such as cortisol, which can interfere with bowel regularity and microbial balance. Incorporating awareness into each breath transforms the process into a meditative experience, allowing the mind to settle while the body engages in processes that are typically unconscious, bridging the gap between mindful intent and physiological response. The expansion of the abdominal cavity during inhalation gently stretches connective tissues and the smooth muscles of the intestines, increasing flexibility and reducing areas of stagnation where waste may linger. Exhalation encourages contraction and compression, which helps propel waste along the colon toward the rectum, supporting a natural rhythm of elimination that aligns with the body's circadian cycle. Over time, this practice can train the gut to respond more effectively to other elements of a nightly cleansing ritual, such as hydration, fiber intake, and abdominal massage, creating an integrated system of preparation, stimulation, and release. The combination of mechanical stimulation from diaphragmatic movement, neural engagement from parasympathetic activation, and psychological calm produced by mindful focus creates a holistic environment in which the colon can function optimally. Breath awareness also allows for subtle detection of areas of tension or discomfort within the abdomen, providing immediate feedback that can guide gentle adjustments in posture or additional massage techniques. Warm oil abdominal massage, performed as part of a nightly ritual to support colon health, is a practice that blends gentle physical stimulation with profound physiological effects, engaging the digestive system in ways that are both subtle and powerful. Using oils such as sesame, coconut, or olive, applied warm to the abdominal area, the practice begins with deliberate, slow circular motions that follow the natural curves of the colon, from the lower right abdomen, ascending along the right side, crossing the transverse colon, and descending the left side, mirroring the path food and waste take through the intestines. This external pressure works in tandem with the smooth muscles of the colon, encouraging peristalsis, the rhythmic contraction that propels waste through the digestive tract, and helping to release trapped gases or tension that may have accumulated during the day. The warmth of the oil serves not only to relax the muscles of the abdominal wall but also to promote local vasodilation, increasing blood flow to the internal organs and supporting nutrient delivery, oxygenation, and the removal of metabolic byproducts, which are all crucial for cellular repair and optimal organ function. As the hands glide in slow, mindful circles, mechanoreceptors in the skin send signals to the nervous system, enhancing parasympathetic activity and facilitating a state of deep relaxation that allows the digestive system to operate efficiently without interference from stress-induced sympathetic dominance. The massage also gently stimulates lymphatic vessels in the abdominal region, supporting detoxification by encouraging the movement of lymph, which carries waste products away from tissues and into circulatory pathways for elimination. When combined with mindful breathing, abdominal massage creates a synergistic effect, with diaphragmatic movement internally massaging the organs while external manipulation complements this action, amplifying the rhythmic contractions of the intestines and improving waste transit. Over time, consistent practice can increase the elasticity of connective tissues, reduce areas of stagnation, and enhance the responsiveness of the gut, making it more efficient at processing food and eliminating waste. Additionally, warm oil massage has been observed to calm the nervous system, reducing visceral tension that may interfere with digestion, and creating a feedback loop in which the body's internal environment becomes more harmonious and resilient. The tactile engagement also fosters body awareness, allowing one to detect subtle imbalances or areas of discomfort in the abdomen, guiding gentle adjustments in technique, posture, or complementary practices such as stretching or hydration. This ritual transforms the act of cleansing from a purely mechanical process into a mindful interaction with one's own physiology, deepening the connection between intentional care and the body's innate ability to self-regulate. By integrating warm oil abdominal massage into a nightly routine, the colon is not only encouraged to move efficiently but also nurtured in a holistic sense, promoting optimal function, microbial balance, and a sense of internal vitality that prepares the body to undergo the natural restorative processes of sleep while enhancing overall well-being and supporting the delicate equilibrium of the digestive ecosystem. Incorporating herbal and home remedies into a nightly colon cleansing ritual provides a gentle, natural means to support digestive function, enhance microbial balance, and facilitate the smooth movement of waste through the intestines. Simple ingredients commonly found in the home, such as aloe vera juice, flax seeds, ginger, fennel, and chamomile, offer unique properties that work in synergy to support the colon while minimizing irritation or strain. Aloe vera juice, taken in small amounts, is renowned for its soothing effect on the intestinal lining, helping to calm inflammation and support mucosal integrity, while also acting as a mild laxative that encourages natural elimination. Flax seeds, when soaked, swell into a gelatinous consistency rich in soluble fiber, which softens stool, enhances peristalsis, and provides nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, fostering a thriving microbiome that produces short-chain fatty acids essential for colon cell health. Ginger, often brewed into a warm tea, stimulates digestive secretions, alleviates bloating and gas, and helps regulate intestinal motility, while fennel seeds, either chewed or steeped in hot water, relax intestinal muscles and reduce discomfort, promoting the rhythmic contractions necessary for smooth waste movement. Chamomile, another mild yet effective remedy, can help relax the nervous system, reducing stress-induced interference with digestion and allowing the body's parasympathetic processes to dominate, which is critical for effective nightly cleansing. Other home-based options, such as a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in warm water or a small serving of probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or kefir, further support microbial diversity and enzymatic activity in the colon, enhancing breakdown and elimination of waste. The act of preparing and consuming these remedies intentionally before bed also encourages mindfulness, drawing attention to the body's internal processes and creating a feedback loop in which conscious care amplifies physiological response. Consistency is key, as these remedies gently train the gut to respond predictably, improving regularity and reducing the likelihood of stagnation or discomfort over time. When combined with warm liquids and gentle abdominal massage, herbal and home remedies act as both catalysts and enhancers of natural digestive rhythms, supporting peristalsis, stimulating secretions, and nourishing the microbial ecosystem that is so critical for long-term colon health. These practices engage multiple layers of the body simultaneously. They provide mechanical support through fiber and water content, biochemical support through bioactive compounds in herbs and seeds, and neural support by promoting relaxation and parasympathetic dominance, all of which converge to create an environment in which the colon can cleanse itself naturally and efficiently. By integrating these remedies into a nightly ritual, the body is allowed to undergo a profound and gentle process of self-renewal while at rest, enhancing overall digestion, supporting toxin elimination, and fostering a deeper connection with the body's innate wisdom. Gentle stretching and movement before bed serve as a subtle yet powerful catalyst for optimizing colon function, engaging the body in ways that enhance circulation, stimulate the lymphatic system, and prepare the digestive tract for efficient overnight cleansing. By incorporating light stretches that target the abdominal and pelvic regions, such as supine twists, knees-to-chest movements, or gentle side bends, the body is encouraged to release tension in muscles and connective tissues surrounding the intestines, creating space for the colon to move more freely and efficiently. These stretches help activate the abdominal muscles, which indirectly support peristalsis by providing gentle mechanical pressure that encourages waste to travel through the winding pathways of the digestive system. The movement also promotes lymphatic drainage, which is essential for the removal of metabolic byproducts, toxins, and cellular debris from tissues, reducing stagnation and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Incorporating a short, mindful walk or gentle yoga sequence before bed further amplifies these effects, stimulating blood flow to the digestive organs, enhancing nutrient and oxygen delivery, and facilitating the rhythmic contractions of the colon that are essential for the smooth transit of waste. Timing these movements to coincide with conscious deep belly breathing creates a synergistic effect, where diaphragmatic motion internally massages the organs while external stretching and gentle activity stimulate muscles and connective tissues, collectively optimizing bowel motility. Repetitive, consistent nightly practice encourages the body to align with its circadian rhythms, signaling that rest and restoration are imminent and allowing the parasympathetic nervous system to dominate, which enhances enzymatic activity, microbial balance, and nutrient absorption. Subtle shifts in posture during stretching also help to relieve pressure points within the abdominal cavity, reducing the likelihood of trapped gas or discomfort, and fostering a more comfortable, efficient passage of waste. Over time, this routine trains the musculoskeletal and digestive systems to work in harmony, enhancing responsiveness and creating predictable patterns of elimination that support long-term colon health. Movement before bed also reinforces mindfulness, creating a moment of connection with the body's internal processes, allowing one to observe areas of tension, irregularity, or discomfort that can guide further adjustments in daily habits, dietary choices, or complementary cleansing practices. This integration of gentle motion, conscious breathing, and awareness transforms the nighttime ritual from a simple mechanical process into a holistic practice that nurtures both body and mind, promoting balance, relaxation, and internal harmony. By incorporating stretching and light activity into a consistent nightly routine, the colon is supported not only mechanically but also energetically, preparing the body to undergo its natural cleansing processes during sleep, enhancing microbial health, improving motility, and fostering a sense of internal rhythm that resonates throughout the digestive system and beyond, supporting overall well-being and creating a foundation for long-term digestive resilience.